Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab, and today we're going to be painting what?
Airplane in a sunset.
An airplane in a sunset. The reason we're doing it is because some friends of ours invited us to a special nighttime air show a few nights ago, and we wanted to give them a thank you. So we're painting them a thank you card, and that's something that we do a lot with our art. So for everyone at home that is following along with us, if you're wondering what to do with all this art, I can't think of anybody who doesn't like original art from kids. So you can save them. That's what we're doing with this today. What colors are we going to be using?
Like pinkish, reddish,
Okay.
orange, dark purple, purple,
Purple, purple.
yellow, dark blue, white, and black.
Okay, let's paint. So we're going to start out with a larger brush today.
Like this.
Yes. And we want just a little tiny bit of black at the very top. All right.
So we're just gonna make a line.
Right. Yeah, just a little bit and not too much paint, because we're going to come back and we're going to need to paint over the top of this. So just a little bit, because black is such a strong color. We don't want too much of it. Good. Okay, now our next color, the next darkest color, is a little bit of purple. And again, it's a very strong color, so we don't want to use too much of it. And we're just going to continue to spread it out as we work down our canvas. And see how it's getting lighter and lighter, and that's okay. That's what we want. Might do a little bit more.
So are you blending your black and
Yeah, I'm blending it a little bit. Not too much, though.
I think I'm gonna add a little
You want to add a little more purple? Okay. That's good. We're about ready to switch to blue. This is going to be so cool looking when we're done. And just back and forth. Back and forth. All right, I'm ready to switch to blue. How about you?
almost.
And I'm going to go back over this. There you go. Let's see. I'll put a little more blue on there.
Yeah, let's pop a little more blue on there. Oh gosh.
That should be enough.
What happened to our blue? Kind of like, yeah.
Okay. So, same thing. We're going to just work that color into the blue, or I'm sorry, the purple a little bit, and then down. And this is going to give it that blending effect that we're trying to get here.
Yeah, just like the black.
That's right.
Like this.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, I like the big brushes.
Yeah, this definitely helps for spreading this around. Okay, now we're going to switch to we're going to clean our brush off a little bit, and let's go ahead and switch to the reddish now.
Right.
Right here.
Looks pink.
Yeah, well that's kind of what we want.
I see.
We're going to need a little bit more of that for sure.
See. Just like the black.
Yeah.
Well, black's already black. Yeah, then you can't see like the other color that you're blending.
Right. Exactly.
Are we using any of our tiny brushes today?
Yeah, we're going to use it for the detail part of this.
Ooh. Like that.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to switch to the orange.
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 Gonna clean up my brush a little. Orange.
orange, okay.
Yeah, we need some more orange.
Me too.
Orange.
And save just enough room at the bottom for that last color, which is going to be yellow. Now, before we do the yellow, we really want to clean off our brush.
Or we could use a different brush.
Or you
like
could use a
this.
different brush. I'm going to use the same brush, but I'm going to really clean off this one and get all this darker paint out
Do we need
as much
water?
as I can. I think we're okay. There we go.
Yeah. That's working. You just need the orange to be a little wet to blend it, but you don't have to blend it if you don't want to.
That's right. That's right. And these colors are just going to start to mix together. So, yeah, that looks awesome.
Thank you. Maybe just a little more yellow.
You want a little more yellow? Okay. Now, the key is, before we start doing the rest of this, we really want to let this dry. So we're going to go back up here and do something at the top to allow some of this other stuff to dry. I think I'm okay with the way mine is.
Okay, I'm just gonna
Add a little bit more yellow? Okay. Well, I might as well too if you're going to break it out.
Yeah, I'm just a little messy on this.
That's okay. That's why we had this down, because this is going to be a little bit of a messy one.
Yeah.
But it's going to be awesome when we're done. Okay, I'm going to leave mine like that. And I think that's it for the big brush. Now, what we want to do at the top
Bye-bye.
is it's time to brush our teeth. Just kidding. Okay, we're going to put some white down. Oh, we got white right here.
Yeah, it's time to brush your teeth.
Now, the key with this is to not have so much paint on your toothbrush that it just shoots big globs off. So you want it really, really light on your toothbrush. Okay, so now let's see how this works. And what we're going to do is just take your finger and real gentle.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah. We're going to just try and keep it in the darker colors. The blues and purple and the black at the very top is where you want these stars, I think.
Yeah, they'll stand out really good.
Yes.
And if you want to add it a little more so you can have big globs that look like shooting stars, that's really cool too.
That is cool. And we can actually, maybe if we have time, we'll draw a couple. And I'm just going to go ahead and
Make stars.
I'm just going to go ahead and put the moon on there right where we're waiting for everything to dry.
I like the moon.
It almost looks like your signature.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, so go ahead and grab your detail brush.
This one will work.
Okay, and you're going to start right here. Make a little curvy.
Are we starting on the back or front?
This is going to be the tail of the plane, the back of the plane.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're going to have a top part here that's going to go like this. There you go. Yep,
Mine's gonna be a tiny plane.
that's okay. Just if you can, try and stay in the brighter colors, okay?
Okay. Like over here.
Yeah, try and, well, you started here, but don't try not to go any higher up there if you can.
Okay.
Okay? So then we're going to go like this. And like that.
Need some more black. I can't really see it.
It's okay, we're going to come back and color it in. It'll stand out more.
Maybe after you could put some stars so it stands out on the black of the
Mhm.
plane.
Okay, so you're at the part. Okay, good. Okay, and now we're going to do another little line like this. Good, very good. Now this one is going to be like this. It's like a little curve. It's got a little curve to it.
I think you needed a bobber. Just a teeny weeny curve.
Did you?
I'm making it right now.
Good. Okay.
There, I'm in the brighter colors now. I'm trying.
Okay, now this one is going to go like this. And then it's going to have it's also going to have kind of like a bulge to it.
Like right there.
Yep, exactly. Keep going that way. Yep, perfect.
And down.
Yes. Now let's just take a minute and stop where we're at, and let's just go over our lines again with what we have. Okay. And now we're going to finish this line up. I want these to connect right here and right here.
Like that?
Looks awesome. I know it doesn't look like a plane yet, but it will.
Sure.
Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to leave this space open. We don't want to connect these lines here. We want to leave these open. So watch, we don't want to connect them, but we're going to do another part right here.
This is gonna be like a line.
Yep, good. And then we're going to do another line right here. And it's going to come to a little bit of a point.
Yeah.
Okay, and then now we're going to do this. This is going to be the propeller. And you're going to draw one.
How many do these kind of planes have?
Well, that's a good question. They can have two. They can have four. Okay, good. And we're gonna do one more right here.
Okay.
Well done. Okay, now we're gonna do one right here. This is gonna be the front landing gear with a circle on it.
Like that.
Yes. Okay, and then we're gonna do another little one back here. And this is gonna be a smaller one. The rear landing gear is usually a little smaller than the front on these kind of planes. Make the cockpit.
Ooh.
This is where the pilot sits. Okay, and then the last thing for the plane is the wing. And we're going to put a wing right here. Now again, you don't want to touch the edge. Try that on.
I'm going close.
Good, good. And then we're going to connect basically these. Nice. Okay, at this point, we're going to go ahead and fast forward and bring our airplane to life. welcome back. And that is our painting. Wow, I think that came out great.
Yeah, it did.
Yes. What's the last thing we have to do?
Sign our picture.
Sign our picture. Okay. Well, thanks again for joining us.
I hope you had fun drawing your airplane, and we'll see you again.
Yes.
I can show it.
Bye-bye. Okay.
Let's do this again.
Yes, that one came out good.